History of weights and measures. Trade in the sense of buying and selling things has been a part of human civilizations since centuries. This holds true even today. Societies cannot develop and grow without its people doing business. No business can be conducted unless each individual is sure that the other is being fair and truthful. Fair and honest trade is possible only if we have means of accurate weights and measures. Apart from this, we need weights and measures for many other day-to-day activities. Think of measurement when you visit the tailor to get clothes stitched, when you need to buy vegetables, fruits, grocery and milk, and so on. Ancient and early units of measure were based on parts of the body or objects from the surrounding. Measures of length came from the forearm, hand or finger. Seeds, grains and stones were used for weights. Time was measured by looking at the sun, moon and other heavenly bodies. However, these weights and measures were not always the same. For instance, seeds, stone and people's hands are of different sizes. As civilizations developed, it became necessary to develop standard weight and measure units to make sure people didn't get cheated. The standard is the one all the others have to. Making sense of measurement. All measurement is based on a comparison. We measure things against a reference value which is called a unit. To make measuring more accurate, we need some standard units of measurement. A unit is a fixed quantity that is used as a standard of measurement. Measurement is the process of finding the size or amount of some quantity and expressing it as a number of defined units. We measure things against a reference value which is called a unit. For example, a standard unit of length is meter. 1 meter has a specific length which is taken as a standard across the world. All the measurements in meter are done by comparing with this value. Measurement of length. Length is the measurement of something from one point to another. Some units to measure length are millimeter, mm, centimeter, cm, meter, m, and kilometer, km. There is a way of changing units from one to another. 10 millimeters, mm is equal to 1 centimeter, cm. 100 centimeters, cm is equal to 1 meter, m. 1000 meter, m is equal to 1 kilometer, km. As you can see, millimeter, centimeter and meter are smaller units compared to kilometer. To measure the length of objects such as a pencil or a table, we use these smaller units. Larger lengths such as the distance between two places are measured in terms of kilometers. Measurement of mass. Mass is the measurement of the amount of matter in an object. The mass measured tells us how heavy an object is. Some units of measurement of mass are milligram, mg, gram, g or kilogram, kg. 1000 milligram mg is equal to 1 gram g. 1000 gram g is equal to 1 kilogram kg. Small masses are measured using milligram and gram, while large masses are measured in kilogram. Measurement of capacity or volume. Capacity can be defined as the maximum amount that something can contain. For instance, the amount of water a bucket can hold is called its capacity. Some units that measure capacity are milliliter, ml, liter, L, and kiloliter, KL. 1000 milliliter ml is equal to 1 liter L. 1000 liter L is equal to 1 kiloliter KL. Thus, for small capacities, we use milliliter and liter. For larger capacities, we use kiloliter. Measurement of time. Time is the measurement of period between two actions or events. Some units to measure time are second s, minute min, and hour h. 60 seconds s is equal to 1 minute min. 60 minutes min is equal to 1 hour h. Measurement of temperature. Temperature tells us how hot or cold an object is. A hot substance will have higher temperature than a colder substance. A clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of our body when we have fever. A digital thermometer displays the temperature in digits in a small screen. The most common units of temperature are degree Celsius, degree C, and degree Fahrenheit, degree F.